Every other day it's been windy. We've had something that's made it so maybe it's not as comfortable to be outside. Today we didn't have any of that. It was 70s and sunny and the wind wasn't even that bad. Tomorrow though, we take a little bit more of a turn. Wind gusts upwards of the middle 20s for miles per hour, and we could see some gusts over 35 miles an hour. If you're headed out to that women's half marathon that kicks off at 2 p.m., well, plan for the breeze and plan for the warmth. Those temperatures are going to be climbing back up into the mid to upper 80s, so your sweat factor is going to be in full effect out there. But fight the good fight. That's a cool race. I've been out there before. 74 is where we sit right now. We've worked a little bit of cloud cover in. That wind, again, only out of the south at 5 miles an hour. So we've put together a pretty comfortable day. Looking out at Lake Panorama, you can see some of that cloud cover shaping up, though. Other parts of the state, Lamoni, completely clear, almost just a little bit of light cloud cover off in the distance. You can see the trees budding out there. So putting together a pretty decent one. Central portions of the state, again, we are dry. We've got a little bit of cloud cover that's been working its way in. More cloud cover working in from the northwest. So as we go about our day out there tomorrow, plan on those temperatures climbing back into the mid to upper 80s. Again, we could be talking about the warmest day of the year tomorrow, but it is going to be very breezy to go along with that. And we'll be starting off pretty warm, 76 by 11 o'clock in the morning. That's kind of ridiculous. Back up again into the mid to upper 80s into the afternoon. West Des Moines again at 87 with that sunshine. So let's track this out for you. Again, we've got a little bit of cloud cover out there now that's going to leave. Look at the winds even early on. These are gusts, 40 miles an hour out in Carroll at 8 o'clock in the morning. We keep those winds stout even into the evening hours. So not much for cloud cover out there tomorrow, but the wind and the warmth, that's going to be with you all day long, as well as that sunshine. Sunday, though, clouds start to build from northwest to southeast. You can see showers up off to the northwest. Much of the day is going to be dry, but by the evening hours, we start to work in that rain, and you can see even some chances for a few thunderstorms to mix in there. And I know we desperately need this in spots, as much of the state is still at least abnormally dry or in some stage of drought. So we'll pick up a little bit of rain out of that. But our fire weather risk tomorrow is going to be increased greatly. Humidities are going to be down around 20 to 25%. And with the heat that we've got in that breeze, anything that sparks up is going to have the ability to spread quickly. So you can see on the scale here, we are inching up to some of the highest parts of it in that bullseye between Fort Dodge and Des Moines. So please don't burn tomorrow because we've got that high fire risk. Again, gusts upwards of 35 miles per hour out there, with those humidities down to around 20 to 25%. So your 8-day forecast kind of bouncing around a little bit. We bring in that chance for rain late on Sunday. Another warm one though, 80s the high on the day. 67 on Monday, more chances for showers there with an isolated dribbler on Tuesday. Otherwise, temperatures cooling off. We're in the low 60s by Tuesday, and we hang out in the low to mid 60s clear through Saturday.